This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Move the safety catch to the side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge. Pull the lower rubber cover from the rear of the headlight. Lift up the clip and pull the bulb and holder from the reflector. Pull the bulb from the holder. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, press the new bulb terminals into the socket in the bulb holder. Locate the bulb in the reflector with the locating tab uppermost. Then press it into place to engage the retaining clip. Refit the rubber cover to the headlight. Release the clip and open the access flap in the front of the wheel arch liner. Prise the rubber cover from the rear of the headlight. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb, then spread the ends of the retaining clip outwards a little. And remove the bulb from the reflector. Pliers make this task much easier. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the new bulb into the reflector, with the flat on the bulb flange at the lower edge. With the bulb in place, bring the ends of the retaining clip inwards and engage them with the catches on the reflector. Press the wiring plug onto the bulb terminal and refit the rubber cap. Refit the access flap and close it to engage the retaining clip.